Hi guys. In this video, we will learn how to add a Mailchimp pop-up form to WordPress. Let's get started. Here is my Mailchimp dashboard. I already have an account. If you don't have one, sign up with a Google account and create an account. To create a pop-up form, let's go to the audience. Click on Sign Up Forms. Here you can build forms, embedded forms, subscriber pop-ups, contact forms, and integrations forms. I will go with the pop-up form. Here is my pop-up form builder. You can see the pop-up form. Let's start editing. Go over there and set a featured image. Select an image and click on Insert. Over here you can edit your text, bold, italic, add link, change text color, position, and heading size. Click on this plus icon. Here you can see first name, last name, address, phone number, and birthday. If you require a different one, click on Create a new field. I will go with first name and last name. Click on the button. From here, you can change the button position. You can change the button color and hover color effect as well. You can add a disclaimer or note about the form. Let's move on to style. Here you can change fonts, the colors of headings, paragraphs and labels, background color and font size. In layouts, you can choose any design for your pop-up form. In settings, you can set overlay opacity display or your subscribe form pop-up. I will choose scroll to the middle of the page. You can go with any one. I will enable it. Click on Save and Publish. If you connect your site with Mailchimp, it will allow you to pop up forms on your site. Save changes. Scroll down the website and here you can see my Mailchimp pop-up form. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below, and thank you for watching.